This is only the last video footage of uneducated set.
It's uneducated.
Abu then, you think what? Shit.
Okay guys, now's your time. Snap or...
Hey, you record or not?
Yes.
Oh, should I record? Never mind.
It's flying, right?
Yeah, what you think? Where got flying? Still on the track.
Flying up already.
Oh,
Then how come got water there?
I don't know. Oh, okay, now it is. Oh my
Oh shit, I have
god!
no space.
What means no space? Oh,
My SD
you
card.
got another one?
Yes. Wait.
Thank God.
Okay.
Flash on in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Please tell me I didn't drop my SD card.
Forgot I can just do this. Shit, the front is damn. Shit, high speed continuous. That's the best. Focus on the front. Okay.
Oh!
What?
Back out!
Screw it. Give up. Not doing high speed continuous.
My storage is full.
How many photos left?
There.
Okay, wait, this short every go.
My phone's not back out.
You mean your battery finish?
No, back out.
Hey shit.
Legit back out. One case already.
I'm out of storage. Fuck, and this.
You can delete, you can
I
delete some
can't,
photos.
it's loading.
There are spares.
No. It's still loading. Fuck.
Oh no.
The light makes a very nice effect. The light actually makes a very nice effect.
Right, this is the best part. Fuck. SD storage died at the best part.
My battery died. Suddenly died. Oh no.
After this, go to level 22nd.
Why?
We can spend on the train on the trailer.
Shit, ISD died in the best part. Big shit lah.
Very lucky with her.
If she has spent too many shots. Fuck. Don't stop.
Okay, train touchdown. What time now?
So,